Hi, it's me, Kinsey. Yep. Right now, it looks like a faggot. Faggot! Let me just take that off. Take it off. I look a lot better. I hate that piece of hair. So, basically, I have no proof that I went camping because I didn't take any video, and it was just like, yeah, I did nothing all weekend. That's what I did. It seems like I did nothing because, oof, because I didn't take any video, and I said I was gonna take a video. I just didn't have time. Yeah, time. Um, I basically got chased around by Matt all weekend. I saw Paige a little bit, and I don't really talk to Cody anyway, so yeah. I don't know when my next skit is gonna be, but I just made cookies. I should have made video cookies. I should have. The reason Sam's not in this video is because it was just one of those quick update things, and I was bored, right? The reason there's no music in the background is because I just haven't put any on yet. I'm gonna put some on now, but that'd be stupid. Yeah. I forgot to take my allergy medicine this morning, and it sucks ass because I was coughing and sneezing all day, and it was just absolutely horrible. And here's I really look anyway. I feel like talking in a British accent or an Arkansas accent or Kez accent or whatever. I was in English class this morning, and this kid, his name's Byron, and he went, have you ever heard somebody pronounce Arkansas? So I went, you mean like Kansas? And it was just probably not all that funny right now because, you know, I'm just bored. 3-minute video, quick thing. I guess